Here they come. This is Erwin and Elette at the Rocky Steps. This is where the film Rocky was made, and these are the famous steps. Ready? Here comes Rocky. I am, babe.
No, don't film me. They can't hear you. So let me know when you're ready.
We're ready. Here they come.
Okay.
Dun 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 dun. Da da da, na na na, na na na. Woohoo! And there they go.
They gotta shout, "Yo, Adrian!" There you go.
Yay! Woohoo! Say bye.